Good morning to everyone. This is R. Ramesh, working as Assistant Professor, CSC Department. So now we'll discuss about data structure subject. In that, rehashing. So in this session, we will learn about rehashing. So what are the content we will learn in the next slides? What is rehashing? What is load factor? How rehashing is done? Example problem on rehashing. First one, what is rehashing? So you know that hashing means inserting the keys into a hash table by using hash function. So in that we are facing the collision problem. So by using collision overhandling techniques, we'll solve the collision problem. So now we'll discuss about what is rehashing. So rehashing means hashing again. Basically when the load factor increases to more than its predefined value, the complexity increases. So when we are inserting keys into a hash table, the keys is equal to the hash table, then we are facing the load factor problem. So then it is very tough to inserting the keys into a hash table. So to overcome this, the size of the array is increased, means double here, and the values are hashed again and stored into the new table, means that is double of the array size, and it maintains the low load factor and low complexity, means basically it takes a less time complexity for inserting or deleting or searching. So if the keys is equal to the number of hash table buckets, the load factor is maybe big of 1. So I want to reduce that time complexity. So how to reduce means by using rehashing. So what is load factor? So load factor is the number of entries that is divided by the number of buckets. Means the number of keys, whatever keys we are inserting, the number of keys divided by the number of buckets, means the table size. So the load factor indicates small n by capital N, where small n is number of keys or number of entries and capital N is number of buckets. Before mapping to the keys, we have to find the load factor. So if the load factor is less than 1, then no need to apply the rehashing. Means when we will apply the load factor, means calculate the load factor formula, lambda is equal to n by capital N. So when that is less than 1, no need to apply the rehashing. If the load factor is greater than 1, then you should apply the rehashing. When the load factor value greater than 1, then do rehashing first. Step 1. Increase the number of buckets. Number of buckets means here number of slots means array size. Initially bucket is capital N. Now after modification we are assume that is n dash. Means here n is the number of buckets initially, n dash is the modified buckets size, where n dash is equal to closest prime number to 2n. How to calculate n dash means our capital N means our total bucket size is multiplied by 2, means double the size array size. That value is n dash. Means in that value we have to find the closest prime number to 2n. Maybe that is greater than or less than. Step 2. Modify the hash function. Means hash of key is equal to key mod n. That is normal function. That function we have to modify. That is after modification hash dash of key is equal to key mod n dash. So generally hash function is hash of key is equal to key mod n. Now after modification hash dash of key is equal to key mod n dash, where n dash is closest prime number to the 2n. So here we have to do two steps. First one is increase the bucket size, that is n dash, that is equal to closest prime number to 2n. Step 2 is modify the hash function, that is normal hash function to hash dash of key is equal to key mod n dash, means n replaced by n dash. That's all. Example problem on rehashing. Insert the keys 6, 7, 8 into hash table with the size 3, means hash table size is 3, by using the hash function hash of key is equal to key mod 3. So I want to insert 6, 7, 8 into a hash table by using rehashing technique. So generally, what is the solution? We have the hash table and hash keys. So table size is 3 means index starts from 0 and ends with 2. Fine. And buckets are there, 3 buckets. Now I want to insert initially 6. So by using the hash function, hash of key is equal to key mod 3. 6 mod 3 means 0. So our 6 key is inserted at 0th bucket. Inserted 6. Now insert 7. 7 mod 3 means remainder is 1. So at the 1th bucket we are inserting the 7. Now inserted successfully. Now insert 8. 8 mod 3 means remainder is 2. At the second bucket we are inserting our key 8. So no problem here. Now we should find out the load factor here. What is the small n and capital N? So small n is number of keys, 1, 2, 3 keys is there. So 3 keys are there. Now capital N is table size, that is 3. So 3 by 3 means it divides 3 by 3 means 1. So I want to calculate less than load factor is less than 1. So here your load factor is 1. Now our aim is reduce the load factor below the 1. So how to reduce means according to step 1 and step 2. First of all, double the array size. Then after, modify the hash function. So modify the hash function and double the size array. So first of all, double the size array. Array size is generally in the previous 3. Now 2n means n is 3 here, 6. So it is 0, 6 means n dash is the 6 value, right? So n dash is equal to 6 means closest prime number to 2n. So n dash is 6 means what is the closest prime number of 6? Closest prime number of 6 means 7 is the closest prime number, right? So that's why I'm taking here 0 to 6 index array. Now then after n dash hash function, modified hash function is hash of key is equal to key mod 7. So first of all, step 1 is double the size array size. Array size means here n dash. N dash means closest prime number to 2n. 2n means 6. Closest prime number for 6 is 7. That's why I'm taking 0 to 6 indexes. Now hash function hash of key is equal to key mod 7. That is 7 means n dash value. I'm taking n dash is 7. That's why. Now insert 6 by using hash function key mod 7. 6 modulus 7 means 6 is the remainder. At the sixth bucket we are inserting the key 6. Now insert 7. 7 modulus 7 means 0. At the remainder, at the bucket 0, we are inserting our key 7. Now insert 8. Insert 8 means 8 modulus 7 means remainder is 1. At the 1th bucket we are inserting our key 8 here. Now load factor. What is the small n value? 3. What is the capital N dash value? 7. 3 modulus 7. 3 divided by 7 means that is less than 1, right? So your load factor is less than 1. So how to solve the rehashing means, first of all, double the size array size and modify the hash function. So by using these two steps, we are solving the problem, load factor problem in the hashing, that is called rehashing. Now, thank you.